Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren. Today I'm going to do a spatchcock chicken. Done those plenty of times, but today we're going to use a black garlic compound butter for our base seasoning. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, I've done spatchcock chickens 1,000 times on this channel. Well, maybe not quite 1,000, but enough. So I already got my spatchcock chicken already cut up, ready to go. It's Costco chicken. But I did, if you check out the iCard above here, you'll see the video where I made black garlic using the sous vide. And I made some compound butter with the black garlic and herbs. And I got that right here. And that's what we're going to use today. I'm not going to sous vide this chicken. I'm just going to put it on the Camp Chef Smoke Pro and just cook it normally on the smoker. So, but we are going to use this sous vide black garlic compound butter as our base seasoning. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the chicken in this compound butter, and then I'm going to just give it a little bit of more seasoning of the Atlanta Grill Company's The Big Chicken, which I like this. It's a general overall great poultry seasoning. So this is going to be a really fast, really quick, easy video. I mean, it's pretty much just going to be me smearing this right on. And I'm going to go ahead, just because I know it's easier for me, I'm going to use a hand to smear this on. And it also sticks a lot better if you use a dry chicken. This chicken's still got a little bit of moisture on it, but I'm just going to go ahead and use my hand here to smear this butter on. I'm going to put some of this under the skin as well. Right underneath it, right in the breast here. It's going to make it a little bit so it cooks that into the meat down there. Just kind of rub it around. Do the same thing with the thigh. Just going to pull the skin back. Stick your finger in there and shove some of that butter up underneath. Kind of smush it around in there. Just make sure you do both sides. Once you get a piece of that skin up, it's really easy. Just going to smush that butter up in there. That way we know that a lot of this meat is going to get some of that butter on there. And I realize I'm using my fingers. I'm putting my fingers back in this butter, but we are not using this butter for anything else. It's just going to be for this chicken tonight. So I'm not cross-contaminating anything. We're just going to keep covering this with butter until we get as much of it on here as we can. Like I said, you can stick it way down in there and then under that skin. It's not going to hurt anything. It's going to cook really nice. And we're going to put some more of this on when it starts to cook as well. All right, so let me get this off my hands real quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, got my hands all cleaned up. And like I said, we're going to, so we got this all covered in butter now with that compound butter. And I'm going to use the Atlanta Grill Company's The Big Chicken. Just put a nice even coat. Don't have to do a ton. Right on top, because we got a lot of seasoning in that butter with some herbs and that black garlic as well. So just got a nice even coat so we get all over the skin here. And that's it. I don't want it too thick. Just give it a nice color. Get a nice even coat of those herbs. And that's it. And we're going to throw this on the grill as soon as it gets up to temp. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to baste it with this butter. And get it all over that skin when it starts to brown as well. So, all right, guys. I'll be back when I'm throwing it on the grill. All right, guys, I got my chicken that has been basted with that compound butter using the black garlic. It smells fantastic. I temped it with a probe and it's all done. I'm just going to cut me a piece right here on the breast with a little bit of that skin. It's juicy, nice, too hot. Wow, that's pretty doggone good, if I don't say so myself. Yeah, you can taste the garlic. Like I said, it's a different taste than you normally would get from just using granulated garlic or garlic powder. It's more of a smooth, garlicky taste. A lot smoother than roasted garlic. So check it out, guys. Check out the dried garlic or the black garlic video in the iCard above. Simple roasted spatchcock chicken using black garlic compound butter. Fantastic. I'm going to cut this up for dinner. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next Fire and Water cooking video. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Fire and Water Cooking Podcast anywhere you get podcasts. And I'll see you again on the next video.